Hello guys. Hello guys. I'm making a YouTube video on this game and come on. Okay, there. So basically if the video randomly ends, it's probably because I'm trying to clear everything and I accidentally clicked pause. Sorry about that, guys. I accidentally left off for a minute. Like cut. But I'm also going to set something up in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so what I did was I made this thing, and basically these are a bunch of 500-degree bricks. So watch what happens whenever someone touches it. Whoa! Oh no. And touch it. It looks as though he burnt himself a tiny bit. What is so? Mind myself. Well, that does not appear to be very good. Let's just make a bone. Just make a bone model. Model of bones. Fake models, of course, are not real bones. That wouldn't be very good. They're not real bones. They're definitely not real. Yeah, you don't see anything. You don't see anything. Nothing's going on. Nothing is going on over here. There's definitely nobody getting fried. We're being fried. And here we go. We got our little friend Johnny. He looks a little bit toasted. But here's Johnny, and Freddy's gonna just say hello and just walk over and see. Ow! Ow! He burnt his foot. That doesn't seem very good. What happened, Johnny? Excuse me? Is there any... Okay, so guys, Mike is over here, also known as, I don't know where the speaker is, the most annoying person in the world. Hopefully he didn't hear that. Hopefully he doesn't hear that. Okay. But this guy burnt his foot, and whenever you burn your foot, some things happen. Like this. You turn into a skeleton too. Ha ha ha. What? And then somebody else gets burnt because they burnt their foot, and they also become a skeleton because of fire. What? Oh, okay. Did not mean to do that. That was an accident. Still not funny. I do not know how that escaped my wrath. Dad. So here we have our participant. He definitely participated. He didn't know what he participated for, but he did participate. So you can't say that we didn't use a participant. Did participate. He just did not know what it was for. And bang. Come on, bro. Come on. Where did you go? Come over here. Oh, sorry about your back. I feel so sorry for you. Like, really sorry. Just ignore what I'm doing. Just watch this human. He's gonna give you some entertainment right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and do something off to the side. Cut! Action! Oh. Well, it's still over 100 degrees. Might as well get some bones out of it. Still hot enough to burn someone. That's all I need to know. Oh no. That might be a bit too hot. Micah? This thing got a bit too hot. Well, he got hit by the thingy, the axe, and yeah, you can see what happened after that.
Is it playing?
Yeah, it's playing.
Oh.
What?
It's not here. Goodbye.
Yeah, nobody's here. It's just me. I'm talking to myself. I'm very weird, I know. Well, there's a weird person with me over that way. I have my watch on, and you might not know that I have a watch. You didn't see it. It's cool. Okay. So also here, I'm going to show you how I heat stuff up. What is it? I'll tell you who it is. It's over there. Micah. Micah's very, we'll say, weird.
Oh,
I don't care about being rude, because you are right now, by intruding and making Peyton leave. Well, you just came over, and my mom didn't want to make you feel bad, so she made them leave.
No, she didn't make them leave.
Well, actually, she was going to make them leave in like 5 minutes. I'm moving my camera so that you guys can see better. Yeah.
Wait, she's actually going to make them leave?
Yeah, because she didn't want you to feel bad. Yeah, I was like, come on. Okay, so guys, I know that we're already 7 minutes in out of at most 15, but watch what happens whenever this guy gets hit by it. So we're gonna just pretend like it got launched. Oh no, dodge it! Ah!
Mama, I too much again. Sorry, I'm going to tell you. No, turn yourself.
There's a glowing knife in this guy's butt. There's a glowing knife in the... wait, what? I didn't say, like, the bottom of yourself. That part. I said your bum.
What?
Because it's inappropriate to say the other one for it.
Oh, that word. Yeah, don't say that, people. Do not say that word.
It's inappropriate to say that on YouTube. That's why I didn't say it. I said bum. Some of you might have thought that I said that.
You.
Stop talking. Nobody likes to hear. I went to his bum. That's not good. No, I just want to take this away from you. Sorry. Sorry, dude. And get that out of your hands. And I'll stab you with it again if you don't give it back. Okay. You're already dead. I get it. Just get that thing out of you. And we're going to reheat it up. And get another victim. Hello, Santa. Santa Clausy. No, it's Santa. Santa came over and he just wanted to say hello. But then the Grinch came. Yes, the Grinch. The Grinch. The Grinch. The Grinch came, right? And he had a glowing new face. Knife. A glowing hot one. And it's the Grinch.
What's this other foolish channel?
How dare you give people presents, said the Grinch, and he went, ooh, and then he went, you are a fat boy, Santa. You're a fat boy, boy. And the knife passed straight through him, but he still got burnt. But then Grinch went over and got it again, and he did something despicable. It probably isn't appropriate, so... Action! Okay. Santa's fine. He just needs to go to the doctor really quick. And luckily we have a doctor on standby. Because people might die on here and we don't want to get a lawsuit. So we have doctors on standby. And also this boned guy can also be healed. And he's gonna get some extra presents this year, I bet. Excuse me, sir? Just come back to life, you dumb skeleton! Do nothing because you two are alive, because I'm the medic. Oh, did you break a bone? Sorry, we don't have any bone healing stuff, so you can just stay over there and do you. But the Grinch wasn't done yet. Ha ha ha, this is the end of the Grinch plan. The one thing that he knows that the doctors cannot heal is this. This is gonna try and make the air around it 1,000 degrees. Well, it's gonna be 1,000 degrees. Isn't that crazy?
Producing fire. Now pushes in her last night. It means screaming.
Can you stop talking in that weird accent?
Okay.
No, can you just not talk anything like that? I'm gonna get a heat pipe. Hopefully this doesn't burn Santa. Can you just talk in your normal voice?
Yeah.
It's about at its target temperature, which is 1,000. So technically, if someone touches that, look at how close it is to its target temperature. This thing. So just imagine what would happen if this guy sort of accidentally touched it. Well, it's going down in temperature now because someone's touching it. And, oh no, he touched Santa. Santa. He touched Santa. Oh no. Santa accidentally tripped, but he'll be okay. He might have just broken his back or something. What? He definitely. No, that's not Santa. It was someone dressed up as Santa. Santa's over. No, that's a fake Santa. That was just someone dressed up as Santa pretending to be him, okay? Now shut up, Ariel. Get that tip.
Can you spawn out Among Us person?
That's not an Among Us person. It's a YouTuber who does Among Us. Okay, it's not the real Santa, okay? Forget that Santa was even there. It wasn't the real Santa.
No.
This is Santa. This is the real Santa.
Where's his hat?
This is the real Santa. I forgot that